Hello. To turn on or off AI on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here, go into the Galaxy AI, and if you're doing it for the first time, you'll actually have to log in using your Samsung account, and after you do this, right here, this is the menu we're being forwarded to, and as you can see, we have the advanced intelligence for various different applications. So as you can see, here is the call assist, writing assist, interpreter, note assist, transcript assist, browsing assist, photo, drawing, audio, photo ambient, wallpaper, and some other functions. So yeah, basically, if we want, for example, the call assist, we need to tap on this call assist right here. If we want AI during calls, we need to make sure that it is enabled right here by pressing this switch to turn it on. And also, if you want to disable, like for example, transcript assist, we can go in here and we have to make sure, oh, I cannot see actually, I don't know, so let's for example disable the photo assist. As you can see, we need to be sure to turn it off like this. So yeah, as you can see, that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.